Hello guys, today we'll unbox this Majorette tow truck. Now we're gonna unbox. You want to see this is the one? So I found this here in Dubai. It was located at Mercator's shopping mall. If you live other countries, you can also might find Majorette there. And now let's unbox it. And here's nothing. Here it is. You want to see? See? First we'll get one car. Look at this car. Can you take it and put it? See? You can take off the car, see? Did you see that, guys? Amazing, right? Now we need just to put it back. And here's the tow truck. Wow, it looked great. Wow, it looked great. See? Like this. Also, you can take. Oh, Mama! Let's take off din to. Try natin din dito sa truck. Mama! Natatanggal din dito. Oh my G. Oh my G, guys. It's also taking off. This is the part. And here's the part of the bottom. These two ones. See, this is the logo. This mini logo. Here's the logo too. See? This is my amazing penguin. So, my penguin is not here yet. So, you can see him after this video. So, on this video, we saw this. See? It says, made in Thailand, Majorette. It says, from Germany, Majorette company. So this is the most one. I bought this because this is the last one available here in UAE. Look. See? Did you see that? And here, we don't need to throw this. This one, we need to throw this. If you want to keep this toy with that, you can. Did you hear that? Boom. And now we can put it back. See? So cool. Oh my god, I like it. See? Here comes the pieces of the car here. See, 1, 2, and last one is 3. So this is all the pieces. Oh my god, look! We got the new one from Majorette. It's so cool. It actually come from here. Hey, you know my baby brother? It's when he watched the Cocomelon, the apples and bananas. Like, I like to eat apples and bananas. When he saw a banana and orange, he ran and asked my mama, "Ito, wag tapon dahil skip ko to. Adam, this is not allowed in a video." Just bye-bye. And you'll see this in the next video. And just wait, I'm gonna show you the front here and the back here, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put it back. Oh, that's my little brother. He's just borrowing it. So guys, goodbye. And thanks you for the meeting. I hope you have a great day. I hope you found this other store. And when you cannot find it, you can just find it at any different shop. This is the one. And I have something to tell you. I have a gas tank like this, a long truck trailer. See, this is it. And look, it's even bigger than my one. And here's my little brother. I hope guys you have a great day. Goodbye guys for your thankfulness. Thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you for